The major volcanic event is followed by marked diversification of the main shallow water faunas, which remains to be explained. This information is based on a conglomeratic level of the Wengen Formation called Pachycardia tuff. Many fossils and sediments pertaining to the carbonate platform are found in this level, embedded in deep basin sediments, suggesting that they had collapsed into the basin during their lifetime. The name comes from the bivalve Pachycardia, a dominant member of a rich association of mollusks, echinoderms, and corals. The Pachycardia tuff has a thickness of a few meters and is only present in the Wengen Formation on the Alpe di Siusi. Alongside this layer, we can find calcareous blocks which are often rich with corals that fell from the platform margin into the fine-grained sediments of the deep basin, just like the Pachycardia. These are called chippy blocks after the creek that runs from the Denti di Terra Rossa down to Castelrotto. The outstanding biological event is further attested by the Belsa site on the Dolomitic Civetta group. Here, fossils are redeposited in a deeper environment like those of the Alpe di Siusi and are mostly found silicified, lying in a few beds both below and above a thin layer bearing small fishes. Although other coeval units of the Dolomites are fairly poor invertebrates, the amazing coeval Chinese Xingyi fauna tells us that Tethyan waters were extremely rich in fish and reptiles, some of them also much bigger than this Caecosaurus specimen. The change from the previously poorly diversified associations is thus remarkable, involving the whole Tethys, and this trend continues for millions of years. In the surroundings of the famous Cortina d'Ampezzo, some outcrops of the San Cassiano Formation from the Lower Carnian have yielded the beautiful samples we can see here. This well-known coral reef association shows such a high biodiversity that its peak will be unmatched for the next 200 million years.